What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Kit Sporty coming at you with my very first video, man. And in this video, we will be reviewing the ultimate sneaker cleaner on the Baron 11 lows. This will be a restoration if it works. I don't know if it'll work, but yeah, these shoes were gifted to me. Well, sold to me at a retail price by my friend Byron. That's my brother, man. But I bought these shoes for like what, $125. Yeah, and I want them to work. It kind of beat up. Look at all that. They real beat up, man. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video, man. The first thing I'm gonna do in this video is take out these shoe screens. I mean, that's the first step to cleaning any shoes. Take out the shoe screen.
Quiz Cube, play that beat again.
Put this just a little bit, and then you just want to get it clean. As you can see, YouTube, man, the shoes definitely got cleaner. You know what I'm saying? It definitely worked as that part. You know, you see, it's definitely cleaner than the first time. Just look at that. Some of the spots didn't come off, I guess because of the material right there. But that's mainly what I'm going for, is that cleanness on the white. You feel me? But yeah, man, the next step is putting the shoes into this bag and washing them with the detergent. Now that I got the shoes into this bag, I will be putting them in the washer, and we'll see what happens after that. Alright, YouTube, as you can see, it is the next day, and we have let these dry for about 24 hours. And yeah, it seems like it is pretty clean. I don't know. I'm gonna give you guys an up-close review on these. We're gonna see how it was. Without further ado, man, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share your feedback. And yeah, I'm out, man.